Hi everyone, at Digital Colmer here, and today I'm talking about predictive analytics, a crystal ball for data nerds. So greetings, fortune tellers of the digital age, ready to peek into the crystal ball of data? Well, let's demystify predictive analytics faster than you can say spoiler alert. Okay, here we go, team. So here's my wonderful crystal ball. So predictive analytics is like giving your data a time machine. It's how we go from what happened to what's going to happen next. um, here's a prediction recipe. What we want to do is gather historical data. The more the merrier. We then apply some fancy algorithms, i.e. sprinkle some AI magic, and out pops our predictions of the future. Hey. Now, let's look at some use cases just here. We can see those, can't we? Yes. So predictive analytics can forecast sales. So you're going to sell 42 widgets this month. We can detect fraud. This transaction is fishier than a sushi buffet. Oh dear. I love my job. Predict customer churn. Watch out. Bob's about to ghost you. And then finally, recommend products. You bought a ladder. I think you might need a helmet. Okay. Down here, we have our lovely cloud. So analogy time. Predictive analytics is like a weatherman with a supercomputer instead of a green screen. It doesn't just tell you it might rain. It tells you to bring an umbrella, wear some galoshes, and maybe build an ark, just in case. Especially if you live in Brisbane. Amazon Forecast is your predictive power in the AWS land. It's like having Nostradamus on speed dial. And finally, down here, we have our case study. Tap Tap Digital is like a psychic octopus for advertisements. It uses AI to predict which eyeball to target across the digital ocean. So this 8-armed oracle enables their customers to achieve advertising success at scale by accurately targeting the right customers across multiple channels. So that's all my items on the digital whiteboard. Let's do a quick recap. So no predictive analytic tasks, forecasting, classification, regression we covered in other videos. Understand the basic workflow. Remember some of the use cases we talk about. Remember some of the capabilities of Amazon Forecast. Remember, we didn't dive deep, so feel free to dive deep and learn more. And just be aware of that real-life case study. So congrats! You're now certified to predict the future. Well, of your data at least. So that's a 900 score, we hope, in your exam. So if this video predicted your learning needs correctly, don't keep it a secret. Let the algorithm on YouTube know by smashing that like and subscribe button faster than we can predict your next click. I'll see you in our next data session. This is Digital Colmer signing off.